Genesis introduced the 2020 G90 flagship luxury sedan at the 2019 Los Angeles Auto Show. The 2020 Genesis G90 incorporates new car-level design changes on the exterior and interior, further enhancing its presence as the brand's flagship sedan through the themes of athletic elegance and horizontal architecture. The 2020 G90 is a flagship sedan for Genesis in the truest sense, said William Lee, Executive Vice President and Global Head of the Genesis brand. Its launch begins a product offensive for the Genesis brand centered around emotive products with exceptional design, making its debut in the United States. The 2020 Genesis G90 formally introduces the next evolution of Genesis' signature design language. The color palette is expanded inside and out for a more emotive look and feel, while G90 continues to provide an exemplary driving experience backed by superior quality. The 2020 G90 builds on the level of engineering and craftsmanship that Genesis has come to represent in the United States, said Mark Del Rosso, CEO of Genesis Motors North America. Evolution of athletic elegance. With the exception of the roof and doors, every exterior body panel on the 2020 Genesis G90 has been replaced or changed. G90 is the ultimate expression of the Genesis brand, said Luke Donkerwolke, Executive Vice President and Chief Design Officer of Hyundai Motor Group. Before the first sketch was even drawn, my team of designers thought carefully about how to evolve its styling and create something even more elegant and harmonic. From front to back, the styling of the 2020 G90 evolves the Genesis brand's athletic elegance design language. In front, the signature crest grille is flanked by quad lamps. In the rear, quad lamps wrap around from corner to corner. The license plate is placed as low as possible, further accentuating a low and wide stance. The elongated, horizontal side profile of Genesis G90 is characterized by vigor and dignity. G-Matrix, a Genesis design hallmark inspired by light reflecting from an illuminating diamond, is applied to the headlights and taillights to emphasize refined proportions and balanced architecture. For the first time, the G-Matrix pattern is applied to the optional 19-inch wheels, which also feature sound absorption technology to noticeably reduce tire noise. When we tackled the challenge of reinventing G90, the Genesis flagship, we decided to start with designing light rather than form and shapes, Donkerwolke said. The interior design embodies the ethos of horizontal architecture, dominated by a harmonious flow of horizontal surfaces including a parallel layout that includes air ventilation system, and audio controls that maximize simplicity and provide an intuitive user experience. Immediately evident is a focus on premium materials and finishes that are befitting a flagship, including authentic chrome plating applied to switches and premium leather wrapping applied to the center console. Authentic, open-pore wood acts as a garnish, as does double stitching and piping throughout the cabin. Connectivity, emotion, serenity. The 2020 Genesis G90 introduces multiple technology firsts for the Genesis brand, as befitting a flagship. It is the first Genesis vehicle to offer over-the-air wireless updates for maps and software. Its 12.3-inch display navigation system now incorporates touchscreen controls and a copper graphic user interface. The split screens are highlighted with signature copper accents. Further enhancing the technological capabilities of G90 are standard Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Mirror Link. Intelligent Car Management Service personalizes the driving experience by using data to analyze driving patterns and informs the driver of necessary maintenance and vehicle wear. Occupant convenience is enhanced by when entering tunnels through automatic external air prevention. The adaptive control suspension minimizes vibration in real time. The Genesis Adaptive Control Suspension with electronic damping controls smoothly and precisely manages body motions throughout the range of dynamics with minimal compromises to ride comfort.